Welcome to Croatia, guys, where ancient history meets Mediterranean crystal clear water. And again, welcome to my surprise vacation vlog in Croatia. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Let me share my little experience with you on today's vlog. Stick around. Hobby booked a surprise vacation trip to Croatia for us because I was not in the mood for vacation this year. I didn't want to know anything vacation this year. I didn't bother to check what is up to, but he insisted we go for this trip. So we took our baggage and went for this trip. It was a road trip from Austria to Croatia. Now if we are going to Kruk. From Austria to Kruk is about 6 to 7 hours. It was a very stressful journey, so it took us about 8 hours getting to Kruk. Now, from Kruk, our final destination is Kres. We had to take ferry from Kruk to Kres, crossing over the abyss of the Mediterranean Sea, guys. Is wow. Can you see what I'm saying? Everywhere, like the feeling of vacation came in at this point. We got down from ferry. We still have to continue our drive 15 minutes more to the apartment. On our way, guys, there's everything given on the ambience of the city. It was so beautiful. But first, let me say thank you so much for watching till this time. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Anniekrieger, a practice professional chef. I share amazing recipes. Okay, so stick around by subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for doing so. Like, guys, can you see this ambience? The view is viewing. Okay, like the salty hair, the happy soul. I will always say that this is where the time slows down and the happiness speaks off. Like everything was just given here. I loved the feeling that was coming at us point first. Okay, before the whole surprise started. I hope you enjoy watching this video, guys. We still have a lot to discuss and to learn from today's vlog. Thank you all once again to my returning subscribers. You all are the best. Now, the moment we got to our destination, which is Crest, so that's another story because it was another stressful journey because we were thinking that we will get our parking space just close by, but the parking space was a little bit far away from the apartment. So when we checked in, the first thing I needed was to eat. I was starving. I needed to eat something. Now we looked for a restaurant and we ordered for something to eat. This is one thing I love about Croatia, their Mediterranean foods, fish, the zucchini, the veggies. I love everything about their meals. Okay. So after meal, I managed to follow Obi back to their apartment, and this is what we got, guys. It wasn't what I was expecting. I was disappointed. So guys, good morning, lovely people. Now this is this. I am not just getting into the apartment, but rather I am getting, not checking out. Now I am checking out because, or we are getting out because it is not what we expected. Okay, that's my number one major problem. I'm not getting enough natural help from the windows from outside, and it's a little bit too stuffy for me. Okay, so we just have to we had to look for another apartment yesterday night. We got a place, a small place too. I hope that place works out, so I will take you along. So yes, let's go. It is time. We need to leave this place before 8 o'clock. So that now, guys, it is time to talk. We finally arrived in the new apartment. Now, Hobby didn't give me the time to explain what really happened. Now, since yesterday, we've been on our way. It's about 12 p.m. now. Since yesterday, 6:30 p.m. We've been on the way, hold up traffic. You saw all that. So we checked into the apartment. We are in Croatia. Croatia, I've said all that in the video. Okay, so let's leave that. Now, checking into that hotel, it's about the hotel, it's about the apartment now, it's about the apartment. What happened is that I've never had this experience before. Now, I said it in one of my videos that we were not going for holiday this year because we needed to save some money that we've spent on projects. Okay, but hobby insisted that he would go for holiday, so he booked. Now, what we normally do is every year, one he would decide where we are going. The other year, I will be the one to decide. But each time he booked, I will make sure I check the apartment, or even if he decides where we are traveling to, the location, I'll be the one to look for the apartment. Now, sometimes we make city holidays where we just need for sightseeing and just have fun. While sometimes we go for a village holiday like beach holiday and all that. Now, his favorite place is Croatia. Okay, but this time he booked Croatia again. No problem in an highland and so on and so forth. I didn't bother to check because I felt like, okay, let me give him the benefit of that. Every time he checked in, now I wouldn't want this video to be too long. Now, every time hobby make booked his own, if I go and cancel it, because I will tell him what I'll do is that this is not for me, we need to cancel it, we need to book something else. He's always angry. So we usually quarrel about that because he feels like I always have the last word, and nothing he does is good, and all that. He always complains, but me, I don't care because I know that I just want a place where I will feel comfortable. So this year I gave him the benefit of that. I didn't check it. He said he booked a place. I said, no problem. I'll follow you. So that was what I did. I followed him. He's one person who just go in. It's holiday apartment. He just booked without checking some certain things. The only place hobby will check is the parking space and balcony. But this time, I wonder why he didn't check anything called balcony, okay? Because he smokes, okay? So he lost balcony. But I didn't check this year because I felt like I didn't want to, poke nose again. It's his teen. I was not feeling nothing like holiday. Now we traveled down to that place. Guys, when we got to that apartment, like on the way, my panic was, I was saying it in a video that my stress was how the apartment will look like. So when we got to the apartment, guys, you would not imagine what we saw, what that apartment looks like. All this Mediterranean look of house, holding Asian house. The house, let me not say anything about that. I didn't video that because we were not going to stay that house, and it's unfair for me to video and put it online here. Okay, so that's why I didn't do anything video to show you guys what the place looks like. Now it's clean, but it's old. And number two, if I had the fresh air I needed, I will show you this place what it looks like. If I had that, I need fresh air. If I want to sleep, I open my window from morning till night. My windows has to be open because I have this problem of I need like real. I love to open my windows to sleep. Hobby knows about that. I need a brighter breeze from outside. If I don't have that, I'm like afraid. I don't know. I have this, I don't know what they call it, that I'm being choked. Okay. So I have that. So each time I book apartment, I make sure I have a bright window or glass door or panorama door. Okay. That was not there. The window was such a small window. And then when you look down, there was a wall facing that window that the hairs was not coming. Okay. So it was a no-no. So we had to just talk to the lady that we're sorry that we need to leave because everything was choked. It was choking, guys. Not just that, there was other complaints that I didn't just want to face because it's 1 week holiday. I need to have fun. And this time I was ready to kind of bear, but the sleep is very important. I have to sleep well. And I felt like why I really wanted to stay there because hobby felt remorse. Like on a good day, he would tell you, no, it's because it's me that booked it. That's why you don't like it or the. But this time around, he felt remorse. He was like, don't worry, let's book somewhere else. You have to feel comfortable. You have to be good. I felt for him. Like, because of that, I was ready to stay there. But he still insists that let's go elsewhere. He has to look for a place. and then gave it to me. I said, no, give me, let me look for it myself. And then I looked for it. I had to check that whole night yesterday. I was looking for apartment, and we finally find this place. Okay, for me not to prolong this video too much, thank you so much for watching till this far. Let me just, I had to cut that talk off. It's enough. So I will show you what this small apartment looks like. Very clean, very simple, mini, but just okay. So I am glad that we could find a place like this at the time, at this time of the at this time. Okay, very quiet. I will just go out and show you what all this is, and then we will have a dinner this evening, and I will call it a day for this vacation vlog. Okay, now let's take a look at the new apartment. Why we talk, guys. Now, if you were to be me, would you have advised me to stay in that apartment, even if I was ready, but not with my full chest? Because I felt like, okay, I've talked enough. Hobby is looking sorry already. He's saying sorry already. I just have to, still understand that he didn't purposely do that. Okay. So would you have actually say, okay, let me stay there for a whole week, guys? Let's not talk about the money, because happiness come first. Okay. Would you have actually stayed in that place where you know that you don't feel comfortable, you are not okay, you're not going to enjoy? It's a 1 week holiday. After working for months, you finally have your vacation, and then you are not feeling comfortable. So let me know in the comment section, guys, what would you have done in my case? Okay, let's talk in the comment section. Now, this is what we have, guys. When I stepped into this place, like the feeling start coming. I start feeling good. That's me smiling again. Like my face, Hobby could not look at my face for at first. He was saying, "You're not looking good. What is wrong with you? Do you want this?" It was trying to, just chow me off, but it was no go. Now, this is me smiling, guys. We finally got a place where I can settle down and enjoy my 1 week in peace. Okay, the bathing room was looking top notch. Everywhere was ppe fine. Okay, in German we say pp fine. Everywhere was top notch. It was clean. There's everything here. The other place, there was the shower was like, you don't have to. I could, you can't even turn. Okay, you won't allow your body to touch you. Well, that's me. We all have our own opinion. We all have our way of thinking, what we can tolerate and not. That was not for me. And here I felt real good. And I think that if you take a whole week and drive so far away from home to enjoy a vacation, you should have it in full. And that was what I tried to achieve in this vacation. We have a small oven top here for breakfast, little small breakfast, and everything is in here. We have kitchen utensils, we have everything, plates, small things that will enable you make your breakfast. For me, I feel like apartment is all about wake up when you want, make your breakfast if you wish to have your breakfast in the apartment, or go out and have your breakfast. And guys, it was really, really what I wanted. Obi was so surprised. How did you do that? How come? How do you, what do you look at to to get apartments like this, or what you want? I say, yes, it's, we are women, we know what we want. Yes. Okay, so we came out to get some things, some groceries. So I got some cashew nuts, I got some wraps because we needed to make wraps, but that will be in our upcoming video. Okay, we have a lot to share with you in this vacation. Okay, so just check out for the upcoming video. You will see what we did for breakfast, the city of Krug, the amazing, beautiful cities. Okay, so stick around. I got some spinach. I got some yogurt dressing. Okay, so I will not be able to do the grocery haul in the apartment again. So I'm just showing you what we have in plan for this vacation for breakfast and all that. Okay, I also got some cheese and yeah, some carrot. I will be making some drinks, my breakfast drinks. All that will be in the upcoming video. Okay, so just stick around. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We have other things to share with you, amazing recipes home and abroad. Okay, so please subscribe, hit the notification bell just to be among the first person to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much for doing so. Now, after the grocery shop, there was a restaurant nearby, so it was time for a cozy, quiet dinner time. Hobby ordered for his favorite salad, which is cucumber, tomato, and onion salad, some bell peppers. He will marinate it himself. He also ordered for potato wedges, which tasted fantastic, and a sealed chicken fillet. Like, guys, everything was well plated. You know, I love anything called plated, well plated. It boosts my appetite. Yes, I ordered for some rump steak, medium well rump steak. Like, guys, this rump steak, I think it is sous vide prepared. Sous vide method of cooking is a vacuum sealed meal that will be cooked, slowly cooked in a water bath. Okay, I bet you it was wow. Again, I went for sweet potato fries and that's all, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video to this time. Please don't forget to hit the like button. We have a lot to share with you on this vacation, so stick around for the upcoming video. You will love it. Hit the like button, leave your opinion in the comment section, and see you all in my next one. Bye for now.